So, I got a problem. It's not a big problem. I got my fridge, and I got a whiteboard. Now, let me show you. If I put it on like this, it kind of looks like shit. And it don't fit there. So my plan is to put this whiteboard and replace this wooden panel. Alright, I gotta be quick. Cause my freezer's actually on. Okay. Oh, this is actual wood. Line this up. Got the grandma scissors. Please fit. Oh, fuck. It's too big. I trimmed it up a bit and it's arguably straighter. Oh, fuck. I think it's too short now. Dude, you went from too fucking big to too small. See if these markers work.